you?
Hi, I was just wondering if you guys have the Beyond Chicken Nuggets right now?
No, it's sold out.
Oh, okay. Alright, thank you so much.
Hi, thank you for calling KFC.
Hi, I was just wondering if you guys have the Beyond Chicken Nuggets right now?
Yes, we do.
Oh, okay. Thank you so much.
No problem. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. So today we're going to try the KFC vegan chicken nuggets, and if you haven't heard about this, it's pretty new. I've seen plenty of YouTubers try it out and I'm really excited because I've heard good things. And to be honest, I'm not vegan or vegetarian, but I am trying to slowly introduce a lot more plant-based foods into my diet. Yeah, I kind of just want to slowly change my diet into more plant-based, mainly for health reasons. And to be honest, I just feel better when I'm eating less meat or very small portion of it throughout my day. Honestly, I thought I would have to call like 10 different KFCs, but the second try I got it and we're going to head to it right now.
This is where I wanna be, never ever go.
Alright guys, so I parked in like a really random location, but I wanted to try it while it's warm, so you know, I didn't want to go home and get it cold or anything. So I got the 12-piece, I think this is a 12-piece combo. Says the Beyond Fried Chicken right here. So we got the fries inside and the nuggets, if you could tell. Like, these look like legit chicken nuggets. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I think it's because I'm super hungry. Let me try to open it with a napkin. Ooh. Yeah, so if you open it, it really looks like chicken. I don't know if you guys could see that. Anyways. Okay, so I had mostly breading, still on point. That legit tastes like chicken. I honestly am not really a fan of fake meat, at least the ones I've tried. I don't know, there's a flavor to it that I'm not really big on, but I have to say this is pretty close to chicken. I mean, you can obviously tell, not necessarily the flavor difference, but the texture, I would say it's a little bit softer than what chicken would feel like. So I'm gonna try it with the ranch and see what the flavor is like. I love how it doesn't taste like fake meat. Like, if you could even look at it, I wish I could zoom in, but my camera doesn't have autofocus. That's so lame, but it really has a very similar texture to the chicken. The flavor is really there. Yeah, I do think they did really well on the chicken flavor. I think that's super close to a chicken nugget. The flavor again is on point. I think the only thing that you could tell the slight difference is the texture. It's gonna be a little bit more softer, a little bit similar to kind of like a tofu. And I feel like eating this, like, I would not miss eating a normal chicken nugget. Unless you're like a hardcore meat eater, I'm sure you would taste the slight difference. But overall, I think it's a win, and I want to have my family try it and see if they could spot the difference.
Hey, we putting on a show, trying to catch a vibe.
So I also know there's only select KFC'S in SoCal that have the Beyond Chicken. I believe there's like 50 locations that have it, and I'll make sure to link the website with all the stores in the description box below. But yeah, overall I think I would give it like an 8 out of 10. Flavor wise was really on point. The texture was really there. A little bit of a softer texture than chicken, but looks wise it looks just like a chicken nugget. Obviously it's not gonna really be a healthy choice because it is cooked in oil, and it is also cooked in the same oil as they cook the chicken in. So if you're vegan or vegetarian, that may be something you want to think about. So definitely not the healthiest option out there, but if you are craving chicken nuggets and you want to just cut down on the meat, I say give this a try and let me know what you think. Hold up guys, have you guys tried the KFC fries? The heck? I don't know, it says secret recipe. I don't know if it's a new recipe, but I literally just gave this a try just now. These are really good fries. I don't know what kind of like salt seasoning they put on it, but if you order the chicken nuggets, get the fries as well, because these fries are actually really good.
This is where I wanna be.
Also side note guys, I realized that this is not cheap at all. So I got the 12-piece combo with fries and a drink. It came out to $15. That is definitely not the cheapest fast food chicken nugget combo, you'll find, yeah, so this might hurt your bank a little bit if you're trying to go fast food and get something cheap. Maybe this wouldn't be the option for you.
We ain't never going home. Ain't